some soil, get some grass on there today, clean it all up, and we're going to move them all back up here to the back garden. The most important thing was to have an easier area to mow. So if we lose the peonies, it's a risk we're willing to take. A lot of the peonies we have in big dirt clumps, so I think those are going to make it for sure. The ones I'm not too sure about are the ones that are kind of dangling like this. We'll see. We've been trying to learn the names of all the different varieties of wildflowers that we find here in the woods at Stonehill. This one is called Spring Beauty, and I was just reading actually that the roots are edible. They're tubers like mini potatoes, and they're supposed to taste like sweet chestnuts. So the kids and I might dig some up this week and see what they taste like. So it's the first week of May and our entire forest has been carpeted. Do you see all these flowers behind me? I'm going to pan around so you can see. And we have never seen this before. A full carpet of flowers everywhere we go in the woods. It's incredible. We even have the Spring Beauty coming up in the yard. Look at this. Spring Beauty! These large white flowers are called Bloodroot because when you cut open their roots, they bleed a red fluid. And these are part of the poppy family. Let's dig up one of these bloodroots and take a look at the roots and cut it open and see how it bleeds. Okay, Sophia, do you have your shovel? All right, let's see if we can find the bloodroot. Oh, there we go. All right, let's put it here on this rock. Put it over here.
Ready?
All right, and we're gonna slice the root. Up and clean it off a little. Oh yeah.
It's called bloodroot because it looks like a bloody finger, Mom said.
I did. I said it looked like a bloody finger. Let's see if we can get up close and show you. Right. Oh, there we go. You can see it bleeding. Doesn't it look like a bloody finger stump? Look at that. Wow. And see here, right off the base. This is how you can find it if the blooms are gone. You just look for this beautiful shaped leaf.
Maybe it's bloody too. Nope.
Look at those bloody stumps.
Stump.
Thanks, Sophia.
Welcome.
This one is called Dutchman's Breeches because it looks like a little pair of pants. That was a nice quick little garden project. Got the peonies and lilies off the hill so we can mow, clear straight through. Don't have to worry about going around them this year. Moving them up here on the hill in the back little garden, nice and quick. Hopefully they'll come back. It's a few days after we transplanted the lilies and the peonies. And they're doing pretty well. Look at that. They look happy. Perky. Nice job, boys.